Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and today I will show you how face unlock perform on this device. So I'm going to make a few unlocks and we are going to check how fast it works. So yeah, let's start. Oh, I just turned on a double click option. Let's try one more time. Okay, so it's definitely slower than the sensor that we can find in the right edge. As you can see, this sensor is definitely faster. It recognizes my face all time, so that's the good point, but the speed is not that great. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.